Elderberries, encompassing both blue, Sambucus caerulea, and black, Sambucus nigra varieties, have been revered for centuries for their versatile applications in culinary and medicinal practices. These small, dark berries, often found in the wild or cultivated gardens, offer a rich history of use in treating various ailments, enhancing the immune system, and providing nutritional benefits. However, it's essential to distinguish these beneficial plants from their dangerous lookalikes, such as water hemlock, and to understand the proper preparation methods to avoid toxicity. Growth and habitat. Elderberries are deciduous shrubs that thrive in temperate regions across Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. They prefer moist, well-drained soils and are often found along riverbanks, in woodlands, and in open fields. The blue elderberry, native to the western regions of North America, typically grows at higher elevations and in drier conditions compared to the black elderberry, which is widespread across Europe and North America. Identification. Elderberry shrubs can reach heights of 6 to 12 feet and feature compound leaves with 5-9 leaflets arranged oppositely on the stems. The leaves are serrated, dark green, and emit an unpleasant odor when crushed. In late spring to early summer, elderberries produce clusters of small, creamy white flowers. These flowers give way to dense clusters of small, dark blue or black berries by late summer to early fall. Dangerous lookalike, water hemlock. One of the most critical aspects of foraging elderberries is avoiding the deadly water hemlock, Cicuta spp, which can be mistaken for elderberry in its early growth stages. Water hemlock is highly toxic and can be fatal if ingested. Key differences include stem. Elderberry stems are woody, while water hemlock stems are herbaceous and often hollow with purple streaks. Leaves. Water hemlock leaves are more finely divided and have a different vein pattern compared to elderberries. Flowers. Both plants produce umbrella-like clusters of white flowers, but water hemlocks are typically more spread out. Edible uses and parts. Elderberries are prized for their culinary versatility. The berries can be used to make jams, jellies, syrups, and wines. They are also a popular ingredient in baked goods and desserts. Only the ripe cooked berries are safe to eat, as raw berries contain toxins that can cause nausea and vomiting. The flowers are also edible and can be used to make elderflower cordial, tea, or fritters. Medicinal uses and parts. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Elderberries have been utilized in traditional medicine for various health benefits. Both the berries and flowers contain bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids, phenolic acids, and vitamins A and C, which contribute to their medicinal properties. Colds and flu. Elderberry syrup is a well-known remedy for reducing the severity and duration of colds and flu due to its antiviral properties. Antiviral. The berry's high antioxidant content helps combat viral infections and boosts the immune system. Bruises and sprains. Topical applications of elderberry-infused oils or poultices can help reduce inflammation and pain associated with bruises and sprains. Hemorrhoids. Elderberry ointments are used to soothe and heal hemorrhoids. Eye irritation and conjunctivitis. Elderflower extracts can be used in eye washes to relieve irritation and treat conjunctivitis. Strengthens immune system. Regular consumption of elderberry products helps enhance overall immune function. How to harvest. Elderberries are typically harvested in late summer when the berries are fully ripe, appearing dark blue or black and slightly soft to the touch. To harvest, cut the entire cluster of berries and remove the individual berries from the stems. Warnings and toxicity. While elderberries are highly beneficial, they must be properly prepared to avoid toxicity. The fresh plant parts, including leaves, stems, and unripe berries, contain compounds that can release cyanide. These compounds are neutralized by cooking or drying. Consuming large amounts of raw berries can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Therefore, it is essential to cook or dry the berries before use to ensure safety. Elderberries, both blue and black, offer a wealth of culinary and medicinal benefits. However, proper identification, preparation, and handling are crucial to avoid potential toxicity. By understanding the growth, habitat, and safe use of elderberries, one can effectively harness their healing properties and enjoy their contributions to health and well-being.